Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a full height image that is equal to the column that's next to it without having to use a background image. So this is done in Divi 5, and what you want to do is you want to click on your module settings. You're then going to head over to design and sizing. From there, you want to click on force fill width. You want to untick shrink to fit and ensure that grow to full has been selected. From there, you want to give it a min height of 100%. You're then going to head over to advanced, to your freeform CSS. You can then copy and paste the code I've added in the description below. What you then want to do is you also want to just copy object fit cover, important. You can see why if you look at the image, it does look slightly distorted. So then you're going to head over to your module elements and you're going to head over to image and you're just going to paste that in there. And they'll fix it right up. And that's it. That's how you create a full height image that's equal to the column that's next to it.